Okay, so let's take a look at what you sent. So the first thing, and I apologize, I'm writing on my Mac, so it's not going to be pretty. Um, when you have an equation in which there's parentheses like this, you need to distribute the number that's on the outside to both terms on the inside of the parentheses before you can make any other moves. So you're going to multiply -3 times 6. So that would, or -3 times 6u. So that would get you -18u. And then you've got -3 times -1. And you may be wondering how I'm getting that negative, because that says minus instead of plus. Like old school me used to teach every time you saw a subtraction, you would change it to plus and negative. So you're going to multiply -3 times -1, which should give you a +3. So that's +3. And I have no idea why my marker is thick and then thin. It just is. Then on the other side, while rewriting it, you might as well combine like terms. So the like terms have the same variable part. So you're going to combine -7 and -10u to get -17u plus 8. Once you have simplified the sides by distributing through, if you need to, if there's parentheses, you're going to distribute, or when you have terms that can be combined, once you've done that, then you can start moving things from one side to the other by adding to both sides or subtracting. So the first thing I want to do is get the u's on one side. So I'm going to add 18u. It does not matter if I add 18u or if I add the 17u. I'm adding, since this is it's a negative sign and I want to create a 0. So that will create 0. Over here, I'm going to add 18u. See, I told you my writing on my computer is not as fun. This creates a 0. So then I just bring down my 3 equals -17u plus 18u gives me 1u, or I could just write u, plus 8. Next thing I want to do is get rid of the plus 8. So in order to undo the adding, I subtract 8. And I get -5 equals u. All right, that's how I do that. Let me grab another example for you. I'm concerned that you're not going to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay. So here's an example that you might have already done. I'm not sure what you're getting right now. All right, I hope you're able to see this. I'm a little concerned that you're not going to be, so we'll find out. For this problem, you've got parentheses, so that tells me I need to do that distributive work. So I'm going to distribute, that's so big, 2 times w to get 2w. I don't know why it's so big. And then you're going to subtract 2 times 5, which would be 10. Again, I apologize for my weird blockiness. And then you just write down the other stuff, minus 3 point. That's a 3, by the way. This is not happy with me. Look at that. 3.5 and 2.5 equals 2.5. All right. So then I would combine my like terms. I've got -10 and -3.5. So that's -13.5. Oh my gosh, Layla, I'm so embarrassed by my writing right now. And now once you get seriously, this is not even working. And I bet I'm not even recording in the right spot. That's even better. I'm gonna have to redo this all. And then you're gonna add 13.5 to both sides to get 15 point or 16, and then you'll divide by 2, so W would equal 8.